Hell yeah. Oh shit, there's music playing. Oh man, we're back. Alright, so today it's dumping rain. It's gonna be basically a throwaway day. Most of the office is having to work from home. Us jabronis in the shop are quarantined to the shop, so there's little we can do. But we're gonna knock out a bunch of real little stuff. Like, we got this new neck in, our little like fill neck steam vent thingy. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take apart this dash, put our digital dash in there. We're gonna fit it in this with like a new backing plate, you know, so it'll look cool. And then Soupy is gonna fit these reservoirs up into the dash. So just a bunch of little painstaking little crap that needs to be knocked out. But we're not gonna bore you with all that, so we'll time lapse through it and get to work. Let's go! All right, Soupy, after 9 hours, what have you got done?
I stuck a clutch reservoir through the vent in the dash.
Ooh, spicy.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was the only place we had.
Cool.
So,
That's dope. Looks good.
Looks pretty cool. Now I'm about to glue it up.
All right, tight. I'm still working on that dash.
9 hours
but
later.
it's coming.
It's looking good?
It's coming. It's good. It's real good now.
All right, cool.
All right.
All right. 6.5 hours later.
All right, Soupy, you done?
We're done. I'm done. Check it out. Clutch reservoir in the dash.
So sick. Hell yeah.
Right, there's no room to put it anywhere else, so.
Well, hey, it looks good. And then we got our dash
Look at that.
coming along. We just need to, what?
Put some, yeah, I'm gonna countersink some screws in here, and then
Hell yeah.
get it in there.
That'll look cool in there.
Yeah,
Be
man.
able to smash. All right, so yeah.
Clutch panel's done. It's in, installed. It's hard to see though.
Yeah. Looks good. Looks stock. Nice. Yeah, so I guess tomorrow we move on to more stuff.